जी वेलकम बैक टू रेड कार्पेट। आमना के साथ हैं आयशा आलम एंड आर यू ऑल राइट नाउ?
I think I've managed to control myself. Thank you very much. Got the tissues going. We're all set now.
Good. अच्छा आयशा, इस सेगमेंट में हम बात करते हैं कि आजकल जो काम हो रहा होता है, so tell us about that. What are you doing?
That I'm doing right now. Well, I've got this. I'm up at 4 every weekday morning. I'm doing the breakfast at dawn show. It's a morning show. It's good fun.
Is it somewhat like the show that you used to do? Cutting edge की तरह उस तरह का शो है ये?
नहीं, because Cutting Edge was a satire and we used to do skits and that was great fun as well and I think that was something we did for fun and we enjoyed it and which was great.
This is something totally different.
This is, well, it is current affairs. It's a lot more serious, although we do have our sarcastic comments that come into come into play or whatever. And what's interesting is, for me, you know, I've always been outspoken about certain things or politicians or whatever. This is a place where I can actually confront them and say, look, these are the issues, and because I'm not a political analyst, I'm not some great expert or whatever, I'm just an ordinary lay person who's been living here, has seen things happening, and I have questions. It's like, you know, hang on a second, I remember when this was, you know, when you said this or this happened.
What's so from that perspective, you've put in your
so it adds a very, I think, a very interesting perspective. You know, the people like or not, I guess that remains to be seen. But
Achha, so I'll quickly talk about your kids because then in late 90s you got married to Brian and sadly वो भी successful नहीं हुई and then you guys are separated. But the best thing that could come out was your kids. तो उन दोनों के बारे में बताएं हमने बच्चों के.
I have 3 daughters. Rachel and Ali are from Brian.
From the first marriage, you have one daughter and then.
Yes. Okay. And Rachel and Ali, they're with me. Rachel is 11 and Ali is 9.5. They're little monsters in the making. Very proud of them. They're artists. They love to write. They love to act. They you know. So I mean, I can go on and on and on. They're great.
So
kids,
are you a proud mom?
I'm a very biased, proud mom. Yeah, completely.
And are you like, how are you at home with them? Are you like very strict?
I'm a total military dictatorship exists in my democracy does not work in my home. I'm telling you now. मतलब हम बात कर लेंगे आखिर में मेरी मर्जी चलेगी.
माँ बाप इलेक्शन से नहीं हटाए जाएंगे.
Exactly. वही मैं कह रही हूँ ना, बात हम कर लेंगे. आप बात कर लो जितनी करनी है. मर्जी मेरी चलेगी. So
take my way or highway.
हाँ, exactly.
सही है. अच्छा, आपकी एक friend से भी हम मिले who is more like a sister. She thinks that you are more like a sister to her than a friend. Maya.
Yes.
तो उनका भी हम पहले पैकेज देख लें फिर कुछ और गपशप लगाएंगे. So let's see what she has to say about you.
Can I have a tissue handy just in case?
You have it already.
आयशा और मेरी दोस्ती हुए कोई 10 साल हो गए होंगे. My mother was working in a play उस बेवफा के शहर में and वहाँ हमारी आयशा से एक्चुअली मुलाकात भी हुई, दोस्ती भी हुई. लेकिन मेरी जो रिलेशनशिप है आयशा के साथ वो दोस्ती से फिर I mean लिटरली बहनों के जैसे है. आई थिंक दोस्त तो वो कमाल की हैं बिकॉज जितनी वो गिविंग है और जितनी वो अपने दोस्तों पे जान छिड़कती है वो कम लोग करते हैं. शी इज़ बहुत जेनरस हैं, बहुत वार्म हैं. फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स दोनों को बहुत इक्वल टाइम देती है. बट एज आई सेड, being a fantastic mother that she is, जो टाइम वो अपनी बच्चियों को देती है वो भी बहुत अच्छा और बहुत क्वालिटी टाइम होता है. एज अ पर्सन काफ़ी मैड हैं, पागल हैं. और मैंने कहा था कि मैं ये कहूँगी कि वो पागल हैं क्योंकि वो हैं पागल काफ़ी. लेकिन आई थिंक वो जो पागलपन है उनका, उसी में से वो जो हमारी दोस्ती है और हमारा जो रिलेशनशिप है वो इसीलिए इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है. शॉपिंग उनके साथ जाना बहुत मुश्किल है क्योंकि वो जब शॉपिंग करती हैं तो थोड़ी हिस्टेरिकल हो जाती हैं. फिर उनकी जो वो हंसी है वो शुरू हो जाती है और बाज़ार के बीच में अब आप सोच सकते हैं कि जब वो हंसी शुरू होती है तो आपका क्या हाल हो सकता है. काम में मुझे एज अ डायरेक्टर बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं और जो भी मैंने उनका डायरेक्शन का काम देखा है, जो लॉन्ग प्लेज उन्होंने बनाए हैं, दे हैव बीन अमेजिंग. बहुत सेंसिटिव हैं, बहुत मतलब वो ऐसे हैं कि जब आप उनको प्लेस को देखते हैं आप इमीडिएटली उससे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. आपको उसमें रियलिटी बहुत नज़र आती है और बहुत अच्छा काम है. सो आई थिंक एज अ डायरेक्टर शी इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. दैट्स व्हाट आई रियली एंजॉय अबाउट हर वर्क. Aisha, I think it's high time that you went back to direction, and I really look forward to seeing your next production because I think we don't see enough of your work on TV which you have directed.
Thank you. By the way, for the record, she's just as mad. I just want this to be known, okay? मेरे ऊपर मतलब खा के इल्जाम लग रहे हैं. Excuse me, हाँ.
ये तो बराबर कर लेवल कर
क्या?
सही है, सही. अच्छा, तो ये क्यों, क्या वजह है कि डायरेक्शन कम कर दी है? And
I love directing. I love working with actors because I'm coming from the actors background, so I love it. I love the whole creative process कि आप एक सोच को, आप एक ख्याल को, आप फिर उसको स्क्रिप्ट राइटर के थ्रू आप कागज पे लेके आते हैं, वहाँ से फिर you put life into it through your actors. You know, I love the process. Problem आती है when you're working with your networks. Can I speak openly?
You can.
Okay. When you come to the networks, there is no cash flow. They basically आपके पैसे यूँ लेके रखते हैं, मतलब आपका प्ले ऑन एयर भी हो गया, उन्होंने पैसे भी ले लिए मार्केट से वगैरह, आपको पैसे नहीं देंगे. And
चक्कर पे चक्कर लगा.
बस exactly. And I'm sorry.
या checks bounce हो रहे हैं.
या checks आपके bounce हो रहे होते हैं. And I do not like to go and ask people for my money. मतलब मैंने I've worked for it, I've earned it. Give it to me. It's my right. I shouldn't be chasing after you for my money. And on time. Thank you very much. And the way I am is I'll pay the actors. I'll try and pay everyone from my own thing. But then I'm left empty. And I'm at the stage of my life where I'm sorry. I need cash flow. And so hopefully one day when I get back into think चलो कोई बात नहीं, अब play कर लेते हैं. तो फिर let's see.
तो मॉडलिंग की, उसके बाद मॉडलिंग कम कर दी, उसके बाद स्टेज प्लेस की, उसके बाद टेलीविजन की तरफ आ गई. और टेलीविजन में जो ट्रांजिशन हुआ, did that prove to be lucky for you, and were you happy with the kind of roles that were coming your way, or did you have to struggle as much as any other actor would struggle?
I think I had to struggle a lot, and it's not like I had things going for me. Because I had a problem with the Urdu language. It is not a language. I think in English. और अगर आप एक ज़बान में सोचते नहीं हैं, then it's very hard to kind of communicate in that. Plus also the fact that I don't look, I'm not a traditional Pakistani looking woman. तो उसके वजह से when I speak in Urdu,
struggle करना पड़ा.
Yeah, so your roles that you were getting with your lamb type roles or very sort of stereotypical type roles. And so that was difficult, and me I liked to give me a different stuff. वो कहते हैं आपको बोलने नहीं आता, आप कहाँ से acting करेंगे?
लेकिन adjustment हो गई eventually.
आहिस्ता adjustment हुई, but then I think I came to realize that even though as much as I love acting, in Pakistani television perhaps there's not too much of a future for me. So I kind of got away from that, and that's why I moved into directing. I said if I can't act, let me try and put through other actors what I can do. हाँ, इतने लोग कर रहे हैं, मैं भी करके देख लूँ.
Interestingly, that was the